All right, welcome back to Albinster's Destruction. It's been a while since we've done a video, but if you guys have been following the channel, you'll have seen my previous destruction videos. I've done some vacuum destruction videos, TV destruction videos, basically a lot more, and of course some microwave videos. But now that we have a good working microwave here, it's an LG, and it's a over-the-range microwave, so definitely really big here. And I believe it has 1,000 watts, so definitely really good. I think the under the range light is failing on it, so it doesn't work. But anyway, we have a heat lamp here that we can destroy, calculator, toothbrush, a little light here, flashlight, LED bulb, and we have the circuit board. If you guys were with us in sometime last year, we had a TV destruction video. I basically salvaged the motherboard and from that TV, so for this perfect reason. Anyway, we have all the safety precautions here. We got water in case something goes south. We got extension cords, so have my switch here to turn it on and off from afar in case shit goes south. And we have the GFCI in case the breaker trips, which this house doesn't have a GFCI, so I don't want to have to keep going in to keep flipping the breaker. But anyway, what should we start with?
We definitely gotta save the circuit for last, I think.
Sounds good.
I guess we could start off with that light bulb right there.
Where's this one?
Yeah.
Alright.
Something something small to start off with.
So what happens when you guys put a bulb, an LED bulb in a microwave? I do have the turntable, but those usually just break anyway, so we'll just...
How many minutes are you set for?
I don't think it'll take long. Hopefully you guys can see in there. Yeah, I don't know if you guys will be able to see much in there. We do have an umbrella, so maybe we'll put that up and see if we can get more shade. But let's start
on inside the microwave.
All right, so what do you want to set to, a minute?
You could try a minute. I don't think it'll take long. Is the bulb's already in there? Yeah.
All right, so
We'll see what happens.
yeah, nothing's even happening. It's arcing. Again, with the microwave, it's really hard to see what's going on inside because they have that horrible screen, that metal screen. I would normally be able to take it off if it's a cheaper microwave, but...
Can you smell it?
Oh, God.
You can smell it.
I thought a lot more would happen with the LED bulb. I thought it would light up for sure, but with the incandescent bulbs they do. We have some incandescent bulbs. Oh, it's smoking. Like I said, don't try this at home, kids, because we are professionals. Okay.
Shut off by 11 minutes.
You smell that?
Oh man, that smell.
Oh, look, it was melting, that's why. Not too bad. It didn't do too much. This microwave is going to turn completely
like
black.
Industrial barbecue.
It really does, huh?
Oh, don't touch it.
It's all good.
Is it hot?
Not this part. That's basically all that happened with some arcing.
I was expecting a little explosion.
Kind of melted the bottom a little bit, but it didn't do a whole lot. Well, we'll set that aside for now. Anyway, what do you want to start off with next? Let's see.
What's next? Since that one just melted, what about the heat lamp? I mean, it's called a heat lamp, you know what I mean?
That one I think is actually going to explode. I think that one's going to pop for sure. Doesn't really say what kind of... I don't know if it contains mercury or not, but...
Oh, God.
Yeah, that's all I did with the microwave there. It would focus. My camera would focus. Anyway. Okay, so this one, what do you think we should do?
Maybe a minute again. I don't think, like I said, I don't think it'll take long. Sit back. Ready.
Oh god. That's gonna pop for sure.
Oh, that's gonna explode. Where's that going? Oh, yeah.
Cool. It's literally flaming in the middle. It's melting the top, as you can see
Yeah,
it.
you can do a little flame
The
on
little,
top.
whoa, the whole glass, it's melting up there. Look at that. Look at that. Look how bright it is.
Oh,
16 seconds left.
it's not nothing yet. That's definitely gonna explode. Unless it already popped.
I think it already popped.
Yeah.
You can still see it in there.
We should cook a pizza in there.
Imagine. Let's see.
It'll be like a Mercury pizza.
Oh, look at that. The glass melted. It got so hot, the glass melted.
Ooh, it made like a little
Hole up top. So
hole
yeah,
up, it's like a little volcano.
so it did pop for sure. Ah, why is this camp?
Didn't you say it has mercury in it?
Feel how warm the door is.
Oh god.
Feel how warm the. Like you could just feel it.
Oh, right there.
pretty-
yeah, it's pretty warm.
But yeah, not too much damage yet so far to the microwave.
Damn, that smells.
With microwave destruction videos, you'll definitely smell a lot of different things.
Yeah. Oh, we should have got some. I'm getting away from that.
I think you'll be okay now. Let's get this out of the way because I don't want to touch it. It's hot. No, I don't want to break it until I'll set it in this bowl here.
You also gotta have a safety bowl.
A safety bowl.
Just like we have the safety bucket.
So what do you think of the toothbrush?
Yeah. Could start out with something smaller now.
Yeah, just your average old toothbrush from Walmart.
We're gonna start with the electric toothbrush. Hopefully it'll be electrifying.
This one I think
That was corny.
we'll do 130.
130.
All right, let's start it.
That's always the things you never expect. So
True, you never know what you'll expect. There's a little motor in there in the toothbrush, so we'll see what a minute and a half does.
God, I feel my nose. This smells crazy.
I still smell the light bulb.
Right, that light bulb's that smells gonna linger for a while.
Is it?
Perhaps.
Right. Well, look, it's starting to light up in there.
Oh, there's some noise. I hear popping.
50 seconds.
Are you gonna brush your teeth after this? Goodbye. Put it in longer.
Oh, look, it's arcing now.
Oh, another noise. I think it's still smoking.
Oh, come on. So again,
Try it one more time.
2 minutes. Just when it's getting
I can
good.
smell it now. Definitely hear it.
Man, that glare though, it's... Yeah, you can definitely see it's smoking. You can see it arcing in there too.
Oh, you can see a little electricity. You guys can see that. Oh, there's a flame on the bottom.
There we go.
A little campfire inside the microwave going on. Oh my god, that smells crazy.
I don't want the thermostat to trip on this thing because then it'll interrupt our destruction video. But basically, that's what's happening. You know, opening it doesn't smell as bad as it did before. Like, it actually,
Actually smells kind of good, right?
yeah.
In a way.
But yeah, it's basically completely melting there.
Well, it's nice and warm. Oh, yeah.
Smell the fire.
This is a video, I'm sorry.
I'm sorry.
Dang, it pretty much cut in half.
Oh, look, there's a little motor. Oh, look, it's just falling out. It's
Oh,
gonna.
it's just slipping out. Oh,
There it goes. Oh,
where did it fall?
right there on the shelf.
Oh.
Let's take this out too. Toothbrush head. And that plastic. Yeah, it doesn't matter. Plastic doesn't matter. Alright, so what we want to start with next. We'll probably put the motor in there when it's a little bit
Oh,
cool.
you know what we should do? Let's do this calculator.
So, I wonder where we got that calculator from.
Yeah, I wonder where. It's a couple years old.
Just like when you had to look in your backpack for it.
Oh yeah, look, totally.
And your teachers went, literally followed you all the way to your next class, our next class, just to ask if we took the calculator.
Send it right there. That should be good enough.
And so I'll turn the turntable off because we don't need it. And how many
Should be
minutes?
like 2, right?
2:30.
2:30.
I'm not expecting much with the calculator, but we have 2 minutes and 20 seconds, so we'll see if anything happens. If you guys haven't seen the previous microwave videos, check out that lighter in a microwave video. That was pretty cool.
You know what that kind of smells like?
Oh yeah, it
It
smells
smells like food.
kind of like a vegan type of food of some kind.
It smells like what?
Wow.
It's weird. I don't know why. It smells like avocado.
Everything we destroy
Oh,
that
no, it
we
smells like fireworks.
everything we put in there just has a different smell. It's crazy.
It changes like each minute too.
Or that liquid. Oh look,
you
it's
can
starting to
smoke.
smoke again.
You can definitely. I don't know why, but I can kind of feel the heat.
Yeah, I kind of do too.
Whether that's a good thing or not, I do not know.
Yeah, it doesn't matter.
You guys can see that, but there's a bunch of smoke coming out the top.
Yeah. Once this microwave finally gives us, once it's basically finally destroyed where we can no longer use it, we'll do a microwave destruction video with it. I do have a magnetron from a previous microwave, but I don't think it will work with this microwave.
5 seconds left.
Yeah, there's definitely a lot of smoke coming out. I don't know if you guys can see the smoke.
So far, nothing.
Yeah, I'm actually surprised. It's already been in there 2 minutes. 30 seconds left. I'd say it's probably been one of the best microwaves that I've had on the channel. I've done a few other destruction videos, but that was before I started filming. 15 seconds, there's a lot of smoke coming out now.
Like I said, I don't know if you guys can see that, but there's quite a bit of smoke.
Oh!
There it goes.
Right when it always gets good, right?
Right, and then 2 seconds left.
Well, we already know nothing's gonna pop out.
Oh! Careful, Ruben. Damn.
It's on it.
That's a lot of smoke.
It is on a. Dang.
Oh, wow. Is it hot?
You can feel it. Let's turn this off. Oh, it's like completely annihilated.
Damn. I don't know how much we hate math.
Exactly. I remember like math to begin with. Hey, because you can see the microwave's getting a new paint color in there. It's all black now. Well, we knew that wouldn't last. Look at the microwave. Look at the calculator.
Damn. That's melted.
There's like, it's like squishy.
Oh, look, there's the battery. Is that the battery?
No, that's the LCD.
Smells like Black Cat fireworks.
It does, huh? What do you want to start with next? I guess all we have was a flashlight or this little light. Should we do batteries in or batteries out?
I think we should do batteries in.
Alright. I don't think much happens with the batteries.
Maybe not, but we'll never know.
Some
So
guys,
try it.
some guys born is long over there.
I wonder if you can smell it. You can smell the burnt shit.
Alrighty.
Alright, let's throw this in there. Just like that. Perfect in the middle.
I don't even see a little spigot too for the. I think that might have melted too. The little.
That's gone.
Wait, how many minutes?
230 again, maybe? I don't think this one will last that long.
Alright.
I think 230 is good. I don't think this will last very long.
I'm not seeing any lights out there up in there yet.
Oh, not yet.
Yeah, thankfully we haven't had any interruptions yet with the breaker or the GFCI, so we know it's pretty
I
good.
can smell it already.
Could just be the burnt plastic.
Could be all the shit in there. Oh,
Oh, I heard
there's
something.
a little spark. 30 seconds left.
Something has to happen within 30 seconds.
I can see smoke in the inside. There's a little flame. I don't know if you guys can see that.
You see a flame?
It was like a little spark.
Oh, there it goes.
There it goes.
15 seconds left, so it's about the same time each time. Pretty. Oh, look. Oh, I see it popping up. 2 seconds.
We should do like another minute.
We could do like another minute.
We'll do another minute. Is this starting to get good?
Oh god, there's Arky.
One more minute, it's starting to get good. Finally.
God, I hope it doesn't trip that thermostat in there, because then literally we'll have to tear apart the whole microwave to jump out that fuse.
Really?
Oh well, we'll wait till it
sounds
closes.
worse.
If it shuts off by itself, we'll just have to wait for now. So I don't have the time to rip apart the microwave to do that. 20 seconds left. Look at the colors. I thought for sure the batteries would have exploded by now. If they were lithium batteries, oh yeah, they would for sure have gone. But
Well, see more flames.
8 seconds left. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay.
See the damage. Oh wow. It's a lot of smoke. Damn.
Oh man. Woo! Woo! Look at all that.
Oh yeah.
Nice and toasty.
Smacking it.
There's literally half of it left, maybe a
I think
quarter.
it's good to huff in battery smoke.
Yeah, those batteries are gone, but yeah, there isn't much of this light as you can see here. Nothing left of it. Smells like just like burnt plastic. That's all it really is. As you can see, even the top of the microwave being all nice and black up here. But okay. Well, Well, I think we are ready for the grand finale here. I don't know.
I forgot this flashlight.
Oh, yeah.
You can't forget that flashlight.
Almost. Okay, well, we'll put it in for what? 2 minutes? There's going to definitely be a lot of barking in here, I think. Maybe. Maybe not. They say never put metal in the microwave, but we don't care.
Yeah, okay.
Man, not even that's light enough.
Not yet.
I'm seriously going to put some deodorant on and everything.
Smell like snow.
Probably.
Oh,
And 10 seconds. Oh, there's one.
yeah. Pop.
Popcorn's getting ready.
This is why it will be the best way to cook popcorn.
What, out here in the open?
Yeah, there's some capacity storing there, extra flavor.
Imagine.
There was a pop, I don't know if I caught that or not, probably not yet. It's starting though.
145.
45 minutes left.
I think we're gonna have to add more time to this because
Maybe, but everything else, things were happening at the last seconds.
minute 30. I thought for sure that a lot would happen with this, like way more than what we're witnessing.
Maybe.
We're already a minute 15 seconds. Yeah,
Little
we're
crackers in there.
a minute 5 seconds.
Oh, there's the pops. How about you? I said some explosion.
I don't know. I mean, it's been 5 minutes. You gotta,
Yeah.
and nothing's happened yet. So.
With that lighter. Well, that's really 20 seconds.
Imagine.
I would doubt it.
Okay, 6
5
seconds.
seconds.
Okay.
See what it looks like on the inside. Well, it's smoking.
Yeah, well, nothing much happened.
Only like 2 pops.
I saw some weird stuff in there.
It smells like beer. It smells like
It
alcohol.
does. It does. Huh?
I mean,
It smells like
that's
beer.
like when you open it, it smells like alcohol, like beer.
Maybe we gotta move it or somehow. I don't know if it makes a difference if we move it in there.
I wouldn't touch it.
I wouldn't touch it.
Look at those microwave off the cook somewhere.
The microwave's still good.
About 2 minutes and 30 seconds left.
Yeah, if nothing happens. Oh, we'll get okay more. Let's see, maybe now.
Drink capacity's going on. How many about to go?
Who knows? That's the fun of it.
Alright, so 1 minute, 30 seconds left.
Oh.
Spoke too soon.
That's the thing. You never know what's gonna happen. You just never know. I'm waiting for that big one, man. That would be huge. Smells like beer.
That's what I mean. It like, smells like alcohol. Like when you spill a beer, it just has that alcohol smell.
It does. It does.
It's not like the rubbing alcohol, but I'm talking about that beer smell.
Just that classic beer. It smells like a flavored beer scent.
Yeah, plastic flavor.
Or maybe like one of those
Sugar boy flavor.
specialty beers, like the.
They're special.
Smells like almost like a wine beer of some kind, like a champagne of some kind.
Maybe, I don't know.
Definitely get some weird smells from it.
Well, when you start getting smells like that, you know something has to happen soon. But we got 30 seconds left, so we'll find out.
Okay, well, dinner's ready.
Dinner's ready.
Yeah, not a
plate.
Not a lot happened. As you can see there, I was hoping that big capacitor right there in the middle, that black one would have popped, but
This needs a lot of time.
I don't know. Let's see how hot the.
I'm sure it's hotter than hell.
It's not bad.
Not at all.
But the cord's like more flexible.
Yeah. It's like a...
Yeah, there's not much. There's a transformer here or something there. And there's that big capacitor, but none of this popped. I mean, a few of them did, but that's the power board, the gold one, and then this is just the regular motherboard inside, but not as much as I was expecting for sure. But oh yeah, we have this little motor here from the toothbrush. This might still be good for something. Yeah, I can put it in the middle. I'll do like what, maybe
55 minutes? An hour?
an hour.
Honestly, that little motor from the toothbrush guy is still good, so let's see.
Yeah, not a whole lot has happened yet. Not as much as I was expecting with this video, but fear not, there will be more microwave destruction videos in the future, so stay tuned for those, and make sure you are subscribed if you like these kind of videos, because I definitely want to try adding to the destruction video channel more often. Also, if you're new to the channel or just seeing this video for the first time, feel free to go check out my other content from my main channel, Albinster69 on YouTube. Go check that out. And I'm also on Facebook for both channels and Twitter, so you'll be able to find all that in the bio of the description channel. Anyway, 45 seconds left. I honestly don't think nothing's gonna happen, but we'll see.
The motor's too like mounted. Everything has to happen. But yeah, so far we didn't have to use the safety bucket.
Yeah, thankfully we haven't had to do
Seems
anything
good.
or kill the power, so
About 20 seconds left. I don't think anything will happen.
no, but I'm sure it's pretty hot. You can kind of see it smoking a little bit, but
Melted a little bit more.
no, not much happened. This microwave was brand new. Well, it wasn't brand new. It's from 2008, but it was still like new. Anyway, I guess I'll do it for this video. So feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Hope you guys enjoy these videos, and as always, we'll see you in the next one.
That's it.